If you want to use a memory card on the Xiaomi 15T Pro, then in that case, unfortunately, you cannot use the SIM tray because there is no memory card slot that we can use in order to insert the microSD card. In this case, the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so you cannot really put it inside. Therefore, if you want to, if you want to use the memory card, then what you can do is you can use a memory card reader. In my case, I have this one. It is pretty huge, but it does the job. There are also smaller memory card readers, but the general idea is that we use a memory card reader that has USB-C cable so that we can actually connect it to our phone. There we go. And once we connect our memory card reader with our microSD card into our phone, we can access the storage quite easily. Of course, it is inconvenient to use it on a daily basis, but whenever you try to, for example, move files from the internal storage to the memory card, then you can use that memory card reader. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.